actually at the photo shoot. I'm just gonna be showing you guys around and then introducing you to the team as well that I'm gonna be working with today, and I'm super pumped, so come along. Okay, so we are literally just prepping at the moment, and yeah, I'm Crystal. Say hey.
Hi.
Excited?
Yeah.
It's gonna be lit today.
Yeah, of course.
Also. MUA here. Hi. Introduce yourself.
I'm Charlotte.
So Charlotte's gonna be doing my makeup today, or all our makeups today. So
I'm excited.
super pumped. Okay, so I've just had my hair done and I absolutely yes, this. Thumbs up, guys, because this is, on a good day, this would never happen, okay, people? She's scared. The way my neck is hurting, guys, like, oh my gosh. But you know what? It's time to eat. It's time to eat. Okay, I'm gonna eat now. A massive thank you to Slaybella for the cutest mink lashes worth £38, which I'm giving for free to one favoured person watching this video. All you have to do is share this video on your social media platform, tag Willa Jane and leave a comment below. Terms and conditions apply. I almost couldn't let these lashes go, but I think it's only right to share the love, no? So we're just done. Hubby's come to pick me up. Ooh. Cold right now is dark. Okay guys, I'm just gonna we're heading home and I'm gonna have something yummy to eat and then get some cuddles and go to bed. Take good care of yourselves. Mwah.